Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check in on Facebook to a different location. So if you want to use the check-in feature, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go ahead like you're creating a new post here. And then you want to select where it says add to your post. Select the three-dot icon that says more. And you want to select where it says check in. Go ahead and select that. And then at this point, go ahead and select a location, or you can search for it. You can also search for specific locations. It doesn't have to just be a city or a town. And that's pretty much all you have to do. You just go ahead and select it here, and then select post, and you've just checked in. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.